Today I am reviewing the MSI Katana 15HX gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's dive into the performance, because that's where the Katana 15HX B14WGK 016 US really shines. At its heart is the 14th Gen Intel Core i9-14900HX, one of the fastest laptop CPUs you can buy in 2025. With 24 cores, high clock speeds, and serious multitasking power, this chip is perfect for gamers, creators, and professionals alike. Whether you're running intensive titles, streaming your gameplay, editing videos, or handling AI-enhanced apps, the i9-HX series delivers responsiveness with zero compromise. Complementing the CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU, loaded with the latest features like ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, and AI-enhanced rendering. This GPU doesn't just play the latest AAA games, it dominates them. Titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, and Call of Duty. Modern Warfare 3 runs smoothly at ultra settings, thanks to the RTX 5070's 12GB GDDR5 VRAM and cutting-edge architecture. It also supports VR and advanced creative workflows, making this laptop an excellent choice for 3D modeling, video editing, and AI-based apps. Now let's talk about what you see. Because this laptop features a 15.6-inch QHD Plus display with a 165Hz refresh rate. That means gameplay isn't just sharp, it's fluid and ultra-responsive. The higher resolution offers deeper detail, while the high refresh rate eliminates motion blur and ghosting, especially in fast-paced games like shooters and racers. The pixel density and color accuracy here make this screen not only great for gaming, but also for content consumption and creation. Backing all this performance is a generous 32GB of DDR5 RAM, allowing you to run multiple demanding programs, stream, and switch between apps without lag. And with a 1TB NVMe SSD, you get lightning-fast boot times, quick game loads, and enough space to store your entire Steam, Epic, or Game Pass library, plus room for media, projects, and more. Thermals are a common concern in powerful gaming laptops, but MSI has addressed that head-on with its Cooler Boost 5 thermal system. This advanced cooling solution keeps both CPU and GPU temperatures in check during long gaming sessions, ensuring consistent performance without thermal throttling. Dual fans and high-efficiency heat pipes make a noticeable difference, keeping the laptop cool under pressure and extending its lifespan. The design of the Katana 15HX is sleek, stealthy, and clean. The matte black chassis gives it a serious, professional look, while the RGB backlit keyboard adds a gamer-centric vibe with customizable zones for personal flair. The keyboard is responsive and well-spaced, making it comfortable for both gaming and productivity. In terms of software and user experience, the laptop ships with Windows 11 Home, offering a clean, modern interface optimized for gaming and multitasking. From direct storage for faster game load times to integrated game mode, Windows 11 is tuned for performance. And if you need more control, MSI's built-in software lets you fine-tune performance profiles, fan curves, and RGB settings. Connectivity-wise, you get all the essentials: USB-C, multiple USB-A ports, HDMI for external displays, an Ethernet port for stable online play, and an audio combo jack for headsets. It's ready for both work and play right out of the box. So, who is the MSI Katana 15HX built for? If you're a gamer who wants high performance at a reasonable price, a streamer needing smooth capture and playback, or a creator handling large files and real-time edits, this machine is a perfect match. It combines a high refresh rate display, powerful internals, intelligent cooling, and modern connectivity in a package that delivers real-world performance where it counts. To sum it all up, the MSI Katana 15HX gaming laptop is an excellent balance of performance, visuals, and value. With its i9-14900HX processor, RTX 5070 graphics, 165Hz QHD Plus screen, and robust cooling, it's a laptop built to handle everything 2025 can throw at it, and then some. Whether you're leveling up in the latest games, creating content, or managing AI-powered workloads, this Katana is sharp, fast, and ready for battle.